So today's lesson is equal parts of a whole. Let's start our lesson.
It's math, right?
Yes.
Hi there. See the basket on the table?
Now it's science.
No
We
math.
have now it's science.
Math.
Be having a picnic. I peeked inside the basket just before you got here. Do you want to know what I saw?
What do you saw?
I saw a loaf of carrot bread. The bread is cut into 6 equal parts. What name could we use for the equal parts? To find out, we need to learn how to name equal parts of a whole. Come on.
Let's look at how to solve a problem about equal parts. Lauren shares a sandwich with 3 friends. They each get an equal part. How many equal parts are there?
Okay.
Let's unlock the problem.
So please look at the sandwich. Lauren shares a sandwich with 3 friends. Look, Osama. Look, Yazan, Ibrahim, Rayyan. This is one sandwich. So Lauren shares a sandwich with 3 friends. So how many one will share the sandwich now?
3 pieces.
They are 4.
Oh,
Lauren and 3 friends. So they are 4. So we are going to divide the sandwich into how many parts? How many parts?
4 parts.
4 equal parts. So let's see.
What do you need to find? You need to find out how many equal parts there are in the sandwich. How many people share the sandwich? Lauren and 3 friends share the sandwich, so there are 4 people sharing the sandwich. A shape can be divided into equal parts. A whole is all of the parts of one shape or group. Equal parts are exactly the same size. Here's a shape divided into 2 parts called halves. Each part is 1/2. This shape is divided into 3 equal parts called thirds. This shape is divided into 4 equal parts called fourths. This shape is divided into 6 equal parts called sixths. This shape is divided into 8 equal parts called eighths. Lauren is sharing the sandwich with 3 friends. Choose the model that shows the number of equal parts of the sandwich.
So Osama, what do you think? 4?
It's 4.
It's
Yes.
4? Okay.
Yeah.
4 people share the sandwich, Lauren and her 3 friends, so there are 4 equal parts. This model shows one way to divide a square into 4 equal parts. Are there other ways to divide the square into fourths? The square can be divided in any way as long as the 4 parts have the same area.
Hello.
You can see that the shapes of the fourths can be different. In the first model, the parts are squares. In the second model, the parts are rectangles. In the third model, the parts are triangles. As long as the 4 parts have equal size, each part is 1/4.
Okay. So how many parts here, Osama?
Four.
Let's take the first one. The first square, we are going to divide it into 4 equal parts. 4 equal parts. So each part is called 1/4. 1/4. 1/4. Okay. Maybe another one. Try to divide the same square, but in another way. Look. Here, the same square, but we divide it into rectangles. So we have here 4 equal parts. Each one is called 1/4. Another friend tried to divide the same square into 4 equal parts, and this time is trying to divide it into 4 equal parts, but he divided into triangles. So they are fourth. They are fourth. 4/4 here. And how many sandwich? One sandwich. One
One.
sandwich. Yazan?
Like type three, one type three because there's three and one.
Yes. Yazan Atash, you understand?
Yes.
Saleh?
Yes.
Okay. So let's move to another part.
Teacher,
Yes.
maybe I take this in grade two.
Yes, it's the same. But
Really?
this year we are going to add a little bit.
I don't understand it yet.
You have to understand. You are going to understand from the next part.
Okay.
When you look at a shape that's divided into parts, it's important to tell whether the parts are equal. Let's see if this first shape is divided into equal parts.
Look,
No, not
Yazan
equal.
Atash. Look at this part, please. Look at this shape. How many squares inside it?
I think it's
Let Yazan Atash answer this, please. Yazan,
six.
6 squares. Look.
This shape is divided into 6 squares. All 6 squares are exactly the same size, so the shape is divided into 6 equal parts, or sixths. Now let's see if the second shape is divided into equal parts.
Look, Yazan, the first one is called here. We are going to divide it into 6 equal parts. Each part is called 1/6. Okay? 1/6. The next one, can you answer it? How many parts inside it?
Three.
3. So each part is called 1/3.
Oh,
Shape
because
is
it's
divided into
one.
3 parts that are exactly the same size, so the shape is divided into 3 equal parts, or thirds. What
But
about the last shape?
but
Is it
please
divided into equal parts?
but please put in your mind that the equal parts must be of the same area, the same shape. The first shape we have here 6 equal squares. In the second shape we have three equal parts. But guess what? For the third shape, they are 3 equal parts, Saleh?
No.
They are not equal.
This shape is divided into 3 parts, but the parts aren't the same size. These are not thirds.
That's great.
Let's find the number of equal parts for this shape and write the name for the parts. The shape is divided into triangles. You know that the triangles are equal parts because they are all the same size.
Mr. Rhino.
How many equal parts are in the shape? What is the name for the
Who
parts?
can answer this one? Yazan Ghamdi.
Mister,
Yes.
why you unmute me?
You are going to answer something, Ibrahim. Yazan Al Ghamdi, how many equal parts?
Four.
4 equal parts. Okay. Ibrahim Hashim, the parts are called what? Halves, thirds, fourths, sixths.
Fourth,
Fourth, why?
because there are four equal.
Yes, they are 4 equal parts. That's right. When can I say they are 2 halves?
And there's only two.
That's right. When can I say they are thirds?
Three,
3 parts. Can I say they are sixths?
six.
That's
parts.
right. So let's check the answers.
I learned this in first grade already. So
That's
I'm
right.
pretty good at
There
it.
are
I
4
want
equal
to
parts,
learn more.
so the parts are called fourths.
That's great. So Yazan, you understand? Usama, Ibrahim,
Yes.
Ibrahim, Ryan, you understand?
Yes.
Okay.
Now let's practice
Mister.
with the personal math trainer.
Mister,
Yes.
why do we have numbers on our name?
I think it's for ordering the students inside the class. Maybe that.
So that's my number.
That's right. Now we are going to open the page number 443 in your math book.
But it's not clear. It's not clear. The new book?
Yes, then the old one. Open page 443.
The new book is not clear.
The old one.
That we have.
Yes, yes. The first term. It's the same for the second term.
Old one. Mr. Which page?
Yes, sir,
400.
I don't have the new book, and I don't have page 400.
You have the old one, Saleh? Open page 443. Show me, please.
There is only 438.
400 what?
The last page is 438.
Yeah.
400. Okay, so you don't have the new one.
I don't.
Okay, so please, boys, please ask the school to get the new one, to get the new book for math. Okay.
Teacher, page one.
Okay. Do you have the new one?
No, I have the old one.
Is anyone has the new book?
No. No.
You don't have the new book. Okay.
Teacher, that page one. Or the for the first term.
So as you don't have the new book, please focus with me and try.
That page one.
Usama, you said I don't have the new one.
Yeah, I don't have it. Oh, that's the new one. I think that was the. Oh, Mister, only we have the for the first term.
Yes, yes. So please focus with me, and I ask school to give you the new one. Okay. Okay. Osama, please read this one. Lauren.
Lauren shares a sandwich with her brother. They each get an equal part. How many
How many equal parts?
equal parts are there? Teacher, it's not very clear. It's not good.
Okay, okay, Osama. So Osama, please tell me how many people for this
Two.
example.
Two.
Yes, Lauren and
His brother.
and her brother. That's right. So they are going to share the same sandwich.
Yes.
So how many parts for each one? One part.
Two. One part.
One part. They are two parts, you know, two parts, but we are going to divide the same sandwich into two parts. Each part is called half. Half. HALF.
Because it's two is one sandwich to be two.
Yes, that's right. So look here. Wait.
Each whole shape below is divided into equal parts. A whole is all of the parts of one shape or group. Equal parts are exactly the same size.
Is it clear now, Usama?
Ah, yes.
Is it clear? I'm talking about the page. Can you see it clearly?
Yeah, the page. Yeah, the page.
Okay, so look at the first shape here. How many parts?
Two parts.
Two parts. So each part is called half. So we have two halves. Two halves.
Two halves.
Again, say.
Two halves.
Okay, two halves for
Two halves.
two halves.
They are two halves. That's right.
Three thirds.
Yes. Saleh, what about the second shape? How many parts?
3/3.
Three parts. So each part is called third.
3/3.
So 3/3 make one whole part. One whole part. So we can divide a loaf of bread. We can divide a piece of pizza, and so on. Okay. Let's see this one. Ibrahim Hashim. What about this shape?
Fourth.
Fourth.
4/4.
4/4. Is there any problem? You understand that?
I understand. And
If anyone can't understand, please tell me.
I understand it.
Okay.
I understand so much that my brain is almost full of it.
Okay, that's great. Ibrahim Abdel Hadi. Ibrahim,
Yes.
what about this shape, please?
Shape.
How many sects here?
That's renting.
Six sects.
Rectangles.
Six.
Blank sixths.
Six.
So how many sects here?
Six.
That's great. So I'm going to write six. I'm gonna use my pen to write it. Six. Thank you. Yazan Atash, what about the shape? How many eights?
He just did it.
Yazan Atash?
8.
8. That's great.
Means 4.
Blank eighths.
Wait, eat.
Okay. I'm pretty sure this is a very, very easy lesson.
Yes.
Okay, so Lauren's sandwich is divided into halves. So there are how many equal parts? 2 equal parts for Lauren's sandwich. That's great.
Only one for Lawrence and one for his friend.
For his brother, her brother, I'm sorry. For her brother,
Hey,
yes.
brother.
Yeah, the question is about her brother.
Yeah, I'm feeling but you say her brother. I think his no,
it's his brother.
No,
no, she's a girl.
Lauren is
She's
a
a girl.
girl. Lauren is a girl, Saleh,
No,
not a boy.
no, boy.
No, Lauren is a girl boy. Not like that. No, she's a sandwich.
Oh, look here.
She's a beach. No, she's
Look,
a
Saleh, with her brother. So Lauren is a girl, not a boy.
teacher.
Well, I have his brother.
So,
No. Her brother, not his
teacher,
brother.
if there's thing called cowboy, so there's cowgirl.
It's
Okay, now this part, please focus.
Cow 6.
Now, Yazan Al-Ghamdi, you are going to answer A, B, and C.
No, me. I want the 3. H-I-J-K-L-M-N-O-P.
Yes, Yazan. A. How many fourth? Yazan Al-Ghamdi.
4.
4.
W, X, Y, and Z.
Are they equal?
Next I want.
Are they equal parts?
Yes.
So we are going to write here equal parts. 4 equal parts. Equal. How can I spell equal? E Q U A L. That's right. Yazan, what do you think about B?
We answered A, then B, then C, and D, and E, and F, and G, and B.
Are they 6 equal parts? 6?
Divided.
equal.
6 equal parts as well. They are equal. But what about, guess what? What about C?
Unequal.
Unequal. Un Why? Why I say they are unequal? Because they are not the same size. Look, here we have a small one, and then we have a big one. So they are two. They are two, but they are not equal in the size.
They're like a ghost.
So these are not halves. When can I say they are halves?
Like the broken house.
If they are the same size.
It's like a broken house.
That's right. So look at this shape, please. Are they 3 equal parts?
Yes.
That's equal.
But the second one is not equal.
Yes.
Well,
So
unequal.
I'll give a right sign here, but X sign here. Okay.
X minus.
Let's stop. Put
Yes, Omar, you understand?
put in the correct
Wait. Omar, you understand?
word.
A little bit? Okay, Ryan, you
What?
understand? Do you understand, Omar?
I can't hear.
Ryan? Okay,
Our. Papa.
so let's see this one. Share and show. Yes,
My
Anatash,
name is
please.
Josh.
Number 1.
This is YouTube done.
Can you please read it?
This shape is divided into 3 parts. What is the name for the part?
Yes. What is the name of each part?
Sir, can I move from it? Yes.
Huh? Can you tell?
Super Captive Falcon.
Yes, Yazan, I hear you.
Mister,
Yes.
it's right.
Say it again, please. Wait. If there is some noisy, I'll mute you all. Then I'll open the mic for you, Yazan, to tell me about the answer. Yazan Natash. Okay. Again, Yazan, please. This shape is divided into 3 equal parts. What is the name for the parts?
Equal parts?
There are 3 equal parts. So what is the name of each part? Third.
Oh.
You know? Third. How can I spell third? T H I
T-H-I-R-D.
R D, and please add S in the end because they are 3 third. 1, 2, 3.
Mister, you put 5, not 7.
Why 5?
This is 5, mister. Look in here.
Where is?
In third. Mister, you write third and then 5, not S.
This is S, not 5.
But I said 5, like.
Okay. Thirds. So they are 3 thirds. Okay.
Okay.
I think it's easy lesson, isn't right?
Yes, the easy.
Okay. Ryan, are you with me? Ryan? Ryan? Ibrahim Abdul Hadi. Ibrahim?
Yes.
Could you please give me the answer of number 2 here? Write the number of equal parts, then write the name for the parts.
There's 4 equal.
4 equal parts, right? 4 equal
4.
parts. 4 equal parts. Write the
2
number of
equal
it, then write the name for the parts.
triangles.
It's the geometrical name, but I need how many, the name of fractions. They are halves, third, fourth, fifth, or what?
They are thirds.
Third. So how many
Yeah.
parts? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So we have to write 4 and add th in the end. You know why?
For thirds.
Because it's a part of a whole. A part of a whole. Since we have a part of a whole, we have to add th in the end. So they are 4 fourths. Okay. And the s here for plural. You got it? Ibrahim?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Thank you. Yazan Aghamdi? Number 3, please. How many equal parts?
2
2. What is the name of the part?
halves.
Halves. How can I spell it?
H A
Yeah.
V
L
L
V
F
E
E
S. Okay. So put it in your mind, please. Halves. Okay?
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay.
Omar. 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 Okay.
Yes, Mister.
Omar, for number 4, please. How many equal parts? Can you count?
8.
They are 8. 1,
Yes.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's right. They are equal, 8 equal parts. What is the name of the parts? Write 8. How can I write 8? E
A
I G
I
H
T.
T. Okay. And in the end, we have to add TH. But since we have T here, so just add
Yes.
H. 8. Okay. 8. You understand?
Yes.
Thank you, Omar. Osama, ready for the next one? Okay. Osama, write whether the shape is divided into equal parts or unequal parts. What about number 5? Equal parts or unequal parts?
Unequal.
Equal or unequal?
Unequal.
Unequal. Why?
Because there is small triangles and there is big triangles.
It's not triangle. It's a piece of a circle.
Or a pizza.
But your answer is right. They are not equal. So you have to say unequal parts. Unequal,
Unequal part.
unequal
Unequal.
parts. Okay.
Teacher, can you do number 6 and 7?
Okay. Unequal. So what about 6? They are equal parts.
Equal part.
How many equal parts?
4.
4 equal parts. That's right. Because they are of the same size, the same size. Okay. Number 7,
It's unequal.
unequal. Why? Because
Because there is
they are not of the same size. They are not of the same size. Unequal parts. So if I try to teach this lesson for a student from grade 1, do you think he will understand it?
I think that.
Yeah, easy one.
Mister.
Yes, Yazin.
Uh, I, women like women divided. What is means?
Say it again, please.
What the divided of those this lesson.
Yeah,
What does this mean?
Teacher, Yazan Gandhi's voice is different.
different.
Yes.
So Yazin, can you answer this one, please? Number 8. Write the
Okay.
number of equal parts, then write the name for the parts. Number 8.
3.
3 equal parts. What is the name of the parts?
Thirds.
Third. That's right. 3 and thirds here. Thirds. Thank you, Yazan. Al-Ghamdi. Then Yazan Atash. Number 9.
I want to do 9 and 10.
How many equal parts?
6 minutes.
How many equal?
Third.
How many
Third.
equal parts for number 9?
Sir, 6.
6 equal parts. What is the name of the parts? You have to write the word 6. SIX. Then
Is
add TH in the end. Okay? Add TH in the end. Thank you.
and
Saleh, are you with me? I think Saleh. Saleh is not. Okay. Ibrahim. Ibrahim, number 10, please.
Okay, yes.
How many equal parts?
parts of a cube. One square has one equal part.
For this heart,
Two equal
two
parts.
equal parts. What is the name of the parts?
The parts are
Two halves.
two halves.
HALV.
11 or no?
Yes. 11?
Yeah.
Osama?
Yes.
No. Is a chance for Omar?
Okay.
Yes,
No
Mister.
problem. I will
Omar,
ask you.
11. How many equal parts?
8.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You are lucky with 8, Omar.
Yes.
It's your your favorite number?
No.
8. EIGHTS. I'm sorry.
Again.
T
8.
and we have to add H here, then S for plural. Thank you, Omar.
You're
Ryan.
welcome.
Ryan.
7 is the luckiest number around.
Ryan. Ryan. I think Ryan went to space. Okay, Osama, you are lucky. You are going to answer 12. How
Okay.
many equal parts?
4.
Four equal parts. And what is the name for the
Fourth.
parts? Huh?
Fourth.
Fourth. That's right. FO. Huh? U
FOUR.
R T H
S.
S.
H.
That's great. That's great. Thank you. Yes, Anatash. Yes, Anatash.
Third.
Three equal parts. They are thirds. Thank you very much.
Mr. What is not a line in here in the equal parts?
They are what?
Well,
They are equal
Mr.
parts. The first
you
one,
write
the second one,
3 Mister, when you write 3, there are not a line.
they are not a line.
In here, yes.
No, there is a line.
Where?
You
No,
mean
not
you
in
mean
third.
you mean in the shape or
Not
the number?
the number.
You
What?
mean this line?
Yes.
There is a
What?
line. There is a
You
line,
put
but you can't not set. I think it's a blue one.
okay, but I don't see.
Okay.
I see.
Okay. Okay.
In third.
So let's see 14, 15, and 16 quickly.
I want to
Okay, Ibrahim, write whether the shape is divided into equal parts or unequal parts. Ibrahim, what about 14? Ibrahim, yes, 14. Are they equal parts or unequal?
unequal parts.
14 unequal?
Yeah. No,
Why you say they are unequal?
equal. I
They
didn't
are,
know.
yes, they are equal parts, not unequal. Look, if you check the size of each square, they are
Okay.
8 equal squares. So they are equal parts. Equal
Mister,
parts.
I wanted to number 16.
16, okay. Omar, 15. For 15, they are equal
Yes.
or not equal?
3.
3 equal or non-equal or unequal parts?
Unequal.
Equal.
Equal.
Mr.
Ibrahim, they are equal, not unequal. Yazan, 16?
And flip. Unequal.
Unequal. It's clear. Unequal.
When you look at an angle, it shapes like.
So now we finish the lesson. Please ask the school
It shapes.
to give you the new book. Okay? You
I want to tell
you can call the school and get the new book.
Boy, I want to tell you something.
Yes, please quickly.
This circle, sometimes people get confused
Mister,
because it shapes on
a new math book?
Yes.
when you turn to another angle.
Oh, okay.
I have this. It's like very confusing.
Look.
So Ibrahim, you have to check the shape and say,
You have a knife.
are they equal parts
You have
or
the knife.
non-equal?
You have knife.
Okay. Thank you, my
You're
students,
using
and see
knife.
you later. Bye bye.